Hey guys, what's up people of the world? In today's video, we are going to unbox the JBL Pulse 4. Dare to listen, sound you can hear. This is Mix D and you're watching the Mix Derulo channel. We're in this channel featuring the finest Bluetooth microphone speaker and promoting easy karaoke access anytime, anywhere. So if you do have a passion for singing or simply loves karaoke, this channel is for you. So come join me. I invite you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification button for some upcoming uploads and updates. The unboxing of the JBL Pulse 4 starts now. JBL Pulse 4, dare to listen, sound you can hear. Let's get it on. Okay. There you go. Inside the box you will have the orange cable for charging. Of course, the JBL manual, and finally the Bluetooth speaker. Okay, there you go, the JBL Pulse 4. Okay, let's power it up. Okay, there you go. So right over here on top will be the skip post play buttons. Okay, let's try to skip the song. Okay, there you go. Okay, again. There you go, very nice. Again, let's try to skip. There you go. Very nice. And on this side, there will be the button for the light show. So let's try some modes of the lights. Okay, there you go. So now it changes like a candle effect. Again, there you go, another mode. Okay, one more. Okay, there you go, very nice. So it's like a lantern as well. Wow, very nice. Okay. That's it. There you go. Okay, the interactive RGB light show. Very nice. Okay. And on this side, on top will be the USB slot and a micro USB port for charging. Also, it has ATF card slot. Will be the mesh fabric with the dual speaker with the combined power of 10 watts. Okay. So there you have it guys, the JBL Pulse 4, dare to listen, sound you can hear. There you go. Thank you for watching, guys. This is Mix D saying keep on loving and keep on singing. Paalam.